I spent all my money in 3 days. I got my salary, but I didn't save. Now I have nothing. What about you? Do you save money or spend money? Tell me in the comments. Okay, just one more task. I'm a little tired. Oh, wait. My salary? I got my salary today! Yes, I have money now. Finally. I want to spend some money. What can I buy? Maybe something small? Maybe I should go out. Oh, there is a coffee shop. I want a coffee. It's not too expensive. I will buy it. I feel hungry. Where can I get food? Oh, there is a food place then. Let me see. This food looks good. The price is okay. This food is so good. I eat now, I am full. I need to pay, but...
That will be $20.
Oh. Okay. It's fine. It's still in my budget, but... I need to buy something. My friend has a wedding. I need new clothes. I only need one dress. Just one. This dress is nice. I like it. Oh, this looks good too. And this one. Maybe I need this. Then this. And this. Okay, that's enough for today. I will go to pay. Thank you, Chi. Okay, let's go home. That was a busy day. I bought many things. I hope it's enough. No? What is this? Oh, my electricity bill and my water bill? Wait, today is the 12th? I need to pay my loan. It's so hot today. I don't want to walk. I will call a taxi. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, yeah. I will cook today. Eating outside is expensive. I did that yesterday. Oh. There is no food. I need to go to the supermarket. I need some vegetables. Oh. That's a bit much, true. Do I need this? Okay. I only need a few things. Why do I have so much? Let me write this down. Food, shopping. I spend too much. Let me check my money. Oh. I don't have much. I pay for everything, but I don't save money. I forgot. Oh no! My phone is broken! I need money Excuse me. My phone is broken. Can you fix it? How much is it?
$50.
I can't afford it. I spent all my money in 3 days. This can't continue. I need to save money. Okay. I need a plan. Let me think. What should I do? Oh, I spend a lot. My savings? I need to save money. Okay, I understand now. I need a budget. I have some money. Not a lot. I don't need to spend it. I can save it. I will save money. A little every day. I will not touch it. This is my savings. This is for my future. For emergencies. I control my money. My money does not control me. Of course. I can't forget money for emergencies. Like my phone today. Should I invest right now? There are so many platforms. It's a bit confusing. I can invest money, but there is risk. But investing can help me grow my money and improve my finances. I need some rules. I will not invest all my money. I will keep savings. I will be careful. This takes time. Nothing happens in one day. I will be patient. I will think long term, step by step. What if I lose money? What will happen? I only invest small money, money I can lose. I won't spend money randomly anymore. I will write down my income and my monthly bills, what I must pay. From this, I can see how to spend my money. I feel more in control. I'm not worried anymore.